What is inflation? Simply put, inflation is the increase in the price of goods and services within an economy over a set period of time. Going a little deeper, the rise in prices must be sustained and not just a sporadic event. While prices may go up suddenly on an item, this may not necessarily mean inflation is occurring. Instead, inflation refers to a sustained increase in costs of nearly all items in the economy over an extended period of time. What causes inflation? Economists have identified two basic causes of inflation. First, there must be a rapid increase in the amount of actual currency in circulation. For instance, when European conquistadors conquered the Western Hemisphere in the 15th century, gold and silver bullion flooded into Europe, causing inflation. Second, inflation can occur due to a supply shortage in a specific good that is in high demand. This can then spark a rise in the price of that good, which may ripple through the rest of the economy. The result can be a general rise in prices across nearly all goods and services. After World War II in Hungary between 1945 and 1946, the Hungarian penge experienced one of the worst occurrences of hyperinflation ever recorded. On the 1st of January 1946, a temporary unit of currency was introduced called the adópenge in an effort to stabilize the penge. When it was introduced, one adópenge was equivalent to one penge and was only used by the governments and commercial banks as an accounting measure. By the 1st of June 1946, one adópenge was now equivalent to 160,000 penge, having undergone 16 million% inflation within 6 months. Shortly after this, the adópenge became legal tender, and by the 31st of July 1946, one adópenge was equivalent to 2 sextillion penge. On the 1st of August 1946, another new currency, the forint, was introduced as a replacement to the penge at a rate of 400 octillion penge per forint. While national governments try to control inflation, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are seen by many as a good hedge against the ravages of inflation. This is due to the fact that Bitcoin has a fixed total supply of 21 million coins. Despite some controversies, many believe that this makes Bitcoin a deflationary currency and therefore resistant to inflation. For this reason, many countries that are currently undergoing inflation have begun using Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies as an alternative to their legal tender in order to cope with the nation's inflation.